Greetings, my name is Aiden and welcome to Project A-Lead. I'll be one of your technical advisors throughout this whole course, and let's get right into the video. So first I'd like to introduce what Project A-Lead is about. It's going to teach you how to start any of the following agencies, whether it's a website building agency for a variety of niches. I'll be teaching you how to use Google Maps to couple that in. I'll also teach you how to start a sales funnels agency. It's one of the most high in demand skills because any business model out there nowadays, especially the more modern ones, they use sales funnels, and I'll be teaching you how to use email automations. Along with that, starting an email marketing agency to nurture leads, make mass email automations, create sales flows, nurture leads, everything that comes with that. Creating e-commerce stores. So it teaches you how to build your own e-commerce store on the software itself. And don't worry, all of this will be offered for free, including the software itself, for a limited time for my YouTube audience. And lastly, obviously, a copywriting agency. So I'll be going through and breaking them bit by bit, and this will be just an intro to the course. The next few videos will be going in depth on how to run different things like paid ads, and the technical factors. So anyway, how will Project A-Lead be conducted? As I mentioned, for a limited period of time, I will be hosting free trials that will last until you start earning money from your agency. So obviously, I like to run services like these, for example, Project A-Lead, that's determined based on pretty much your results. So I'll literally make the entire software, the entire courses for you for free, from the technical point of view, since I'll be the technical advisor for this course. And you can select any theme from here. It's you can create any website for any niche, whether it's art, business, church, consulting, fashion, memberships, photography, real estate, you name it. You have a bunch of templates that you can start, and it's a no-code builder, so you can build on any effects like transitions, and yeah, just work with all these templates I've made for you. You can also create different things like, let's say, sales funnels, like creating lead magnets, lead generation, creating home pages, and I'll teach you the importance of pretty much lead magnets, especially even Alex Hormozy highlighted this importance. And all of these features literally will be free for my YouTube audience. In this short period of time, I will be allowing you to use TriRise Labs entirely for free for my YouTube audience, and you'll get access to building landing pages, websites, sales funnels, and even the email marketing feature, which I believe will be extremely helpful when you start out. So how will you start making money? That's one of the most important questions that you'd have to ask. So in this course for Project A-Lead, there are four main methods of client acquisition. Pretty much revolves around warm outreach, cold outreach, posting free content, and running paid ads for your agency. So in this course, you'll learn how to use the software to its maximum potential, learn all the technical features, and build a money printing system that you can easily scale. So you'll have to learn how to acquire lead lists through some black hat tricks. I'll be teaching you some of my tricks that I use, like getting free email lists and lead lists. These will pretty much use web crawlers, which obviously you can use at your own discretion, Google Maps, and running paid ads. Next, I'll teach you how to run cold email campaigns using my software. And finally, I'll teach you how to do appointment setting and creating a high converting sales script, or rather a sales framework, to land deals with your client. And this all may sound complicated at first, but if you truly put in the effort, I guarantee you'll be able to see results in less than a few weeks or a few months. And imagine how life-changing it'll be when you land your first high-ticket client. You'll get that first $2,000, $3,000 paycheck for creating a sales flow or automation system. Now, a huge disclaimer before we go further is Project A-Lead is not for you if you're not willing to put 100% of your effort despite having all these free resources and tools at your disposal. You're looking for a quick get-rich-money scheme, and you're not looking to learn any skill whatsoever that will set you apart from your competition. You don't have a strong why factor, so if going to clubs and having fast cars, if that's your why factor, then you just won't cut it, and if you're not willing to learn. Project A-Lead is for you, however, if you're willing to put in 100% of your effort and you're aware that these free resources and tools won't be available after a short while. You're an action taker and hate to get taken away by lousy competition. A lot of agency owners nowadays are probably like 13-year-olds or 14-year-olds that probably don't have much experience or any real skill in helping scale their clients' services. So you really don't have much competition in this industry. You just have to be willing to learn the necessary skills that will set you apart from these other groups of people, and you'll get your monthly recurring income. You have a strong Y factor. You want to be able to travel the world, have a lot of time freedom. You're not satisfied with your current life as it is, and you want to provide, let's say, for family. You're willing to learn and give this your best shot. Now, some of the skills that you'll learn personally from me is nurturing leads via email marketing. So to do all this, I made it really simple. It's a 3-step process. So first, you have to pick out an email template that fits your niche. Obviously, we have a bunch of email templates on Tri-Rise Labs. You can pick any of those, and then step 2 is you have to learn how to connect your domain. Don't worry, I'll walk you through this whole process in future videos. But if you don't want to send emails one by one to hundreds of leads, then I suggest you learn how to do this. It's going to be a simple process. Step 3, you can check your analytics and see how high converting your emails are. Now, this will be really helpful if, let's say, you're a copywriting agency owner, for instance, in this scenario. You want to see if your copy or pretty much your email was actually high converting. Then this analytics feature will be extremely helpful to you. As you can see, you can literally test a campaign and it'll tell you how your leads interacted with your email campaign. The second main skill you'll be learning, which is extremely in high demand now, is creating sales funnels and automation flows. All of your favorite gurus probably use this. They pretty much the one thing that will set you apart from all of the agency owners is the ability to create sales funnels and automation flows. And your advantage will be the fact that you can literally create websites, landing pages, sales funnels, and email marketing all on one software platform for free. And so this is an example of running automation flows on Tri-Rise Labs. And don't worry, I'll be teaching you how to run these automation flows for your agency in Project A Lead. In case you don't know what a sales funnels is, I obviously can break it down for you in future videos. But here's the gist of it. There's 2 main parts. Obviously, the top part is like the marketing, and then the second part is the sales funnel. Marketing is pretty much just used to attract leads, prospects, and this is why it's important to post free content online if you can for your agency, mainly because it helps get a lot of traction for your services. It gets a lot of possible prospects that might be interested in your services. And eventually this gets into your sales funnels. This includes, let's say, running a paid ad or having a lead magnet, like offering something for free, like for instance an ebook, for instance, or anything really. And then eventually you go deeper into the sales funnel where you filter out your leads and prospects and you appointment set. So you set the sales call up and you eventually try to convert in that sales call. Don't worry if you don't exactly know what this is now, but I'll teach you more about this in future videos. For lead generation, you can create a paid ads video or organic content. So for people who want to test out paid ads, I'll be teaching you about demographic targeting. This includes remarketing, customer matches, data segments, customer segment searches, customer affinity using URL, in-market audiences, custom affinity segments, all of that gibberish and optimized targeting. So that's obviously for people who want to learn more advanced features. So if you're just starting out, I would suggest that you learn how to create lead magnets. These are super effective, and you can use all of the pre-made templates I've developed on my website. Second is CTA, or your call to action, and this will eventually lead your leads to your landing page. Obviously, I've set up all of the landing page templates on Tri-Rise Labs again, so you can literally pick any of these out. And lastly, you can run email marketing campaigns to these lead lists. And I'll teach you the basics of forming up these leads and why obviously your gurus probably have something called newsletters. It's pretty much to eventually do something called appointment setting, which is pretty much to help book sales calls. And this is a demo campaign I ran just for this video. And finally, convert your leads into paying customers in this sales calls with my sales call framework. So I don't exactly like to call things sales scripts as it's too rigid. And building your sales skills is by far a skill that you'll have to learn in the process. It's extremely important, so don't rely on a script, guys. I would suggest relying on a framework. So a little background about me. My name's Aiden, and I'll specifically be your technical instructor for Project A-Lead. There will be other experienced instructors that I invited who will teach you some strategies to scale your agency, but I'm more from learning how to use the software point of view. So I'm the founder of Tririse Labs, a software company I launched in order to help agency owners manage their business all on a single platform. This includes creating sales funnels, building landing pages, building websites, no code, and creating e-commerce stores. So you might realize your favorite gurus out there use sales funnels. It was a tough realization for me at the time when I had to accept it as a younger kid. So I thought I might as well build a software and teach others how to convert and capture leads for their agency. And this software I built literally has all the features you need to start an agency in 2024. So first, a no-code website builder with a plethora of premium templates I made for you. Second, email marketing. You can send emails to thousands of leads at once without spending time cold emailing one by one. Third, build automation flows and sales funnels. It's an extremely high in demand skill that I suggest you learn throughout this course. Launching your copywriting agency and creating e-commerce stores to sell physical or info products, even membership products. Project A-Lead is something that I envisioned, planned, and worked for a long time now. So if anything, I wish to help anyone who was in a similar position as I was several years back, not even knowing how to build a sales funnel at the time. So this will be a course I'll be building out with other instructors over a several week period of time, since we want to make this extremely high quality. So be sure to take notes in every session and make the most of the software that I'm giving free access to, only for my YouTube audiences for a limited period of time. After the limited period of time is over, and hopefully by then you all will be successful agency owners, I'll start charging my customers. The best part is, most of these features pretty much cost under the price of lunch. So the one thing I despised the most as a young kid was when gurus overcharged people. I don't wish to be one of them, so although most companies will charge several $100s for their software, like a competitor of mine does, I won't be naming any names for now, I literally charge for 1/8 of their price, and it's literally for under the price of lunch. So if you love this, please subscribe, like, and share this video to some people who would want to start this journey with you. Cheers, and God bless.